So the heart failure service covers the whole of Aneurin Bevan. We look after patients who have been diagnosed with pump problems on scans. The name is often what scares people and worries them. Being told you've got heart failure can be quite a sort of worrying experience for patients, and it's often one of the questions I get asked a lot. It doesn't mean the heart is failing, but it does mean that there is a failure in the pumping action. So you can have a good heart, but you just need to make sure you're on the right medications, treatments, and management. It can be better managed now than it's ever been, really. So heart failure affects around about sort of 1% of the population, and as we get older, it becomes more common. There are a variety of other illnesses such as diabetes and hypertension that can affect it, and there can be genetic and sort of other issues that can affect heart failure. We've got a variety of treatments, medical treatments that we can offer. In the first instance, we would see you in the heart failure clinic, make sure they're on the right medications, and then we'd work with our medical colleagues and the cardiologists to kind of then manage your repeat heart scans and follow up, so make sure that you're followed up through your journey. We are very lucky to have cardiac rehab hubs throughout the Aneurin Bevan Health Board. They are specially designed to treat patients who've got heart failure. So if you've got a new diagnosis of heart failure or even a previous one, we can get you through our program, and it's exercise, education and stress management. Because we know that Aneurin Bevan is a large area, we have designed our services so that we can cover all parts of the Aneurin Bevan. We do community clinics, we work in community hubs, we work where we're closest to a patient, and we offer the opportunity to speak to dietitians, occupational therapists and different services to meet, and counselling if needed. We probably recommend the British Heart Foundation or a charity called Pumping Marvellous. These are charities that we use, so if we come and see you in clinic, we'll give you that information anyway. And they explain it in a very sort of easy to understand and sort of non-scary way.